Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to do split screen on Likee. If you want to edit your video and make it look like split screen, then the process is quite easy. First of all, open up your Likee application and log into your account if necessary. Once you're inside the homepage of Likee, tap on the plus icon at the bottom to create a new video. Now this will take you to your device's camera. From the device's camera, you can go ahead and record a video you want to edit, or if you want to use an existing video clip, tap on upload at the bottom right and select a video clip from your device's camera roll. After you select the video, click on next. And once the video is previewed on the screen, go ahead and click on the little drop down on the right corner and click on effects. Under effects, click on split screen. And then you will be able to see different split screen options such as 2 screens, 4 screens, or 6 screens. Simply select one of them and long press on the option to add the effect on your video. Press the option until it covers your whole video or until it covers the part where you want, and then tap on tick at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that your video has now been changed to split screen video. You can now move on to the next step, such as finishing your edits, adding filters, or whatever. And that's how you have created a cool split screen video using Likee. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.